Hi, I'm Jay from SEK SureBond, and today we're going to talk about surface restoration and protection that pays. Concrete, stone, and paver surfaces are a big investment that can provide years of performance, beauty, and enjoyment if protected and properly maintained. However, there are many existing older surfaces that are in need of restoration. They've lost their original beauty and are laden with embedded dirt, stains, and weeds. Years of neglect or the effects of improper installation have resulted in safety concerns and decreased surface performance and longevity. Most neglected surfaces are lacking protection from the wear and tear of daily use and the elements. Surface restoration is a valuable service that helps to extend the life of the surface, makes it easier to clean, and restores it to its original beauty. Not only does this service benefit the project owner, it's also a great way to build revenue for your company. Every successful restoration project starts with a site visit, which includes meeting with the project owner to discuss their goals and expectations for their surface. Inspect the surface to uncover safety issues, areas needing repair, and stains requiring special attention. Present sealer options to help your customer visualize the end results and select the best sealer for their surface. The information gathered will help you prepare an accurate quote that will ensure profitability. At first glance, the surface restoration process may seem overwhelming. There are 4 easy steps to restore a surface and make it look beautiful again. In this video, we will show the restoration process of a segmental pavement system. The first step is to make any necessary repairs. Some simple repairs that will help resolve safety issues and improve the appearance of the surface, like sunken or spreading pavers and loose edging, are easy to do. Step 2 is to clean the surface. Spot clean tough stains such as oil, food and beverage spills, rust, moss, or mildew. Next, clean the surface overall to remove embedded dirt and grime, or if present, efflorescence. Also remove a sufficient amount of sand from the joints that will be replaced with new sand in the next step of the surface restoration process. A properly cleaned surface will look best and provide optimal conditions for sealer adhesion and performance. Step 3 in the restoration process is installing a new joint or polymeric sand. Joint sand is an integral part of the segmental system, and installing new sand will greatly improve the appearance. Step 4 is to apply a sealer that meets the customer's expectations for their surface. Be sure to use a high-quality sealer that can offer protection, enhancement, sheen, or joint stabilization. Notice the remarkable transformation of this previously neglected surface after the repairs and cleaning have been completed. Offering surface restoration benefits your customers and provides you with a big revenue-boosting opportunity. SEK SureBond products are professional grade and field proven for over 30 years. We offer technical support and training, which is critical to your success with surface restoration. For more product information and additional videos, visit us online at sek.us.com.